Я запомнил тебя, дедушка. Secret? Okay. They asked me to tell you one secret. This color born from DEIZ Garage, and this color it's completely
handmade. So.
Hello guys, my name is Ivan. I'm head of the direction of the DEIZ Garage. We are located in Dubai, in DEIZ. So today I will show you some little bit our project, which one we have here at DEIZ. So let me show you some cars, what we have right now. There is Evgeny Murendi, our best tuner in all Middle East. So this Mustang Mach 1, 69 years old. We are like change full body paint from original black one to custom gray one. It's not like original color, but we are customize them for the request from the client. And now it's look like on top it's green, but at the down layer it's gold, and in the sun you can see like the shading from green to gold. Also for this car we will make the full restoration of interior, but we will go later, not right now, because the car still not done. So just give us a time and we will show you the full project about this car. The next car, which one I want to introduce for you, it's Lamborghini. But it's not like a normal Lamborghini, it's a model of Ultimae. And this car, it's one of the 350 cars in the whole world. For this car, we before make already like changing the color. It was gray, we changed to black gloss. And we have the new request from the customer, and we installed this Lamborghini full body kit from the brand Liberty Walk. As you can see, there is 3 large boxes, which ones they have the full changing of the body. It's not like one parts, not like some little parts. It's like completely full changing. We don't change only roof, but on this car, change everything. Doors, front bonnet, rear bonnet, the spoiler, side step, trunk, everything change, And now this car got completely aggressive and you know, just like taking the ice on the street. Also, we are finished the project of Porsche Macan. This project we are finished like completely at 7 days, something like that. We are changing the color, but like not normal PPF, but peelable paint. It's you know what does it mean? I think you can check in the Google what does it mean. What I explain here. So it's the paint which one you can remove like as same PPF, like, but applying of this peelable going in paint booth inside. So you can make any color what you want at this peelable paint, and after that, when you're boring of this color, like, you know, just spending like six months and you want to make something new, like just changing, you can remove this peelable paint as the simple PPF, so like that. And it will not damage your car, and it will completely save your original color on the car. It's safe.
Room full of mirrors, Look. Too clean, pre-shot, Mustang, hardcore, but the fist so flame. Dark thoughts, do laps in my brain. Still glide through the smoke like I train. Phone on mute, I'm locked in, hush. Eyes on me, but I feel that rush. Smile on still, but the soul feel crushed. Turn pain to a verse.
BMW CSL. So this car was 2003 years old. It's like almost 23 years, like 23 years, I think. But the condition of this car was perfect. When this car coming to us like for full wrapping, like full protection of the body, we don't find anything which one we can fix before applying the PPF. So that car 23 years old, but she look like better than more people what I see in my life at this age. So this car we are just making only PPF, interior detailing, like detailing, polishing, ceramic coating, and done. I think we do something from the service area to fix maybe some silent locks or something else, but now car with the customer is happy. So let me show you the one of the big project, which one we make right now. There is a Corvette C3, 73 years old, coming to us for full body restoration and full interior restoration. No one drive this car until 50 years. So now we already start the process of removing the parts, and like other parts from the interior still in progress, but some parts we already make. So how you can see, the interior of this car, it will be red color, and the body of this color will be also red, but not normal red. The color of this car, it will be some ours exclusive color, like crystal color. I think you see crystal paint before at DEIZ Garage. We already make one car in full Middle East. It was Cobra, Chevrolet Cobra, but color was black and blue. But this one we will matching with the interior. It will be red and black with the red of interior. So just stay in tune. We will show you how it will be next.
Move too smooth when I free fall, sink to the bottom, make it look like a pool. Room full of mirrors, it's me, dog. Every new scar is a new tattoo.
So okay, we have our stand of mixing the color. We have our programs for mixing the color, which one we have all color codes, so we can mix them one by one. And why? We're using normally Standox material. It's the one of the famous brand in the world, which one use absolutely the same Mercedes, BMW, Lamborghini, and the Rolls-Royce. They use this material, and that's not of all of material what we use. Also, we are using like material from the Glazurite brand, but it's only on top material like varnish and the clear coat. It's you know, very soft and very hard clear coat, with which ones they give you like very transparent and bright view on the car. So it's like easily, because for different color, different layers, but in normal from 2 to 3, but in a different color, like as the candy, it's going like 6 to 7. For peelable paint, it's going like from 3 to 4. If we talk about peelable, so it's peelable paint, primer, normal paint, and the clear coat. After that, just polishing the clear coat, make them straight, makes them, you know, like soft, and polish. That's it. and we can install the parts on the car. Хорош. Show you. This one, it's the base matte sunrise orange. It's the color, you know, not all of this color, it's completely ordinary color. Some of this can already have the mixing color. This one, it's like not clear orange, it's already mixing inside, and they give us this can, so just, okay guys, mix later, we will check how you will do. Oop. Yeah, it's completely bright orange. Oh, this one it's yellow, I think. Yep, this one is the yellow. Oop. Yeah. Yeah, look nice.
Yo, text on red, but your story still typing in my head. Say you get done, but you double back every time I hit send. You got a new face and your close friends show up, but you still bring me up when you bored on the floor. You wear his hoodie, but you only sleep good in mine. You say we finished, but you still know my plate, my drink, my size. You out in that dress I picked, that's cute. Tryna lie to him, but you can't lie to the truth. No. You say you over me, but you still pull up like.
Okay, we are have more than 200 colors in our garage, so you can come, check the favorite colors, which one you like more, and we are ready to spray your car or bike or anything what you want. Just let us know which one color you want, and done. There is Chevrolet Cobra. It's only one car in this color in full Middle East. This color born from this garage, and this color is completely handmade. So I don't show you how we make this color, but this unique color, it's very hard to make it.
I just wanted to say thanks.
As you can see here, there is some beginning of the dots, and to make this effect, we are make like hand by hand every dots. But what's going next, you can see. But how we do it, I don't tell you.
In your purse, got a whole new man, same old thirst. You call it closure, I call it a phase. You call it last time, that's what you said last May.